Okay, we're going live. Hello, everybody. It's Aurora team here. We're happy to welcome you on our usual Friday Alpha Leaks video live stream to the YouTube, during which we are sharing the information about what is happening in the Aurora project from the developer and from the ecosystem points of view. So first thing that we would like to mention to you is that you probably, if you're following the project, you probably remember that at some point in time, Aurora Labs launched the Aurora pool, the old one. Its name is aurora.poolv1.near. And this pool was used to, to offset the maintenance fees of the Rainbow Bridge. So all of the fees that were collected through the Aurora Pool V1 were used to pay for the synchronization of the Ethereum and Near networks. This pool is now going to be shut down next Friday. So in exactly 1 week from now, we're going to shut down this pool. And in case you would like to stake your tokens, your Near tokens with the other validator, then it's a good time for you to do it, because in 1 week exactly from now, your stakes are not going to work the way as you expected. So as you can see here, some people are moving their Near tokens from the validator, others are not. So this is just a notification that it's going to be shut down. And the reason why it is going to be shut down is because Aurora DAO launched a separate pool that is called aurora.pool.near. And this is the pool that now is used to offset the cost of the Rainbow Bridge synchronizations and the transactions that are happening on the Near blockchain. This is a new type of a pool. It's the first of its kind. It's a so-called stake and farm pool, or type of the validator, stake and farm validator. This validator takes 99% fees. So people who are staking with this validator, they will not be able to receive, or like they will receive the minimum in Near rewards. However, instead of receiving Near rewards, they would be able to receive Aurora rewards, right? So you can find out more information about the validators in the previous series of the Alpha Leaks, or on our website in the blog section. There is a pretty detailed explanation of what is happening there. So anyway, either whether you would like to stake with Aurora Pool.near, the new version, or not, for you it is better to unstake your funds from Aurora Pool V1, because it's going to be shut down in 1 week. Now, coming on to the next thing, and this is the section of the partners and the different projects from the ecosystem that are launching. We've got quite a bunch of them during this week, and in general, the trend is going up, and lots of people are launching their different applications on Aurora right now. So let's go and review what are these people or what are these projects. So first of all, the first one is a Rebake, right? So this is the company that has built the DAO tooling in infrastructure. You received a grant from Aurora through the Near Foundation, and yeah, welcome Rebake to the Aurora ecosystem. Another project is Solus. Solus is the company that is working on the insurance of different protocols. As far as I understand, Solus was already launched on some kind of other networks. So welcome Solus to Aurora. Next in finance. So this is one of the examples of the lending protocols, and now they are on the testnet. So as you can see, lending protocols are also coming to the DeFi landscape of Aurora. Good to see here also Nexon as one of examples of such protocols. XDAO, cool. So they're an additional company that is going to work on the different DAO related tools. So more DAOs, more diversity. And happy to see that there are some games that are already popping up on Aurora. Hoping that people are enjoying the free transactions, and I believe for the gamers this makes lots of sense. The game that is called Moonflower Farmers. It's located on the moonflowerfarmers.com. Go there and check it out if you're up to these kind of games. Beefy Finance, I believe the project that is pretty known for many people in the DeFi world who are pretty active in this domain. This is the project that is doing automatic restaking on the different pools that people are providing liquidity to. And this project launched on Aurora, and as you can see, they are already available. So in case you're a user of Beefy on other network, now you are able to use it on Aurora too. Bluebeat Finance also is launched, right? So again, an additional yield aggregator in Aurora. And the last project for this section is Swin. And again, this is the solution to aggregate things on Aurora, including the bridge aggregator and expand multi-chain liquidity here. As you can see, there are quite a bit of the different projects right now. We have quite a lot of pieces of the ecosystem, and it is pretty easy for you to get lost among all of these projects. And the thing that was added to the ecosystem page here is that now you are able to search projects by name. So if you will write Beefy, then you are able to find it. And same stands for the Swin, for example. So here it is. And also with Sui, you can find Kill Switch, right? The project that was announced, that we have been covering during the previous alpha link. Now, I would like to show you one small but also cool feature. It is available in the Rainbow Bridge, right? So check out this cool new stuff. I'm doing the transfer from my Near account to the Aurora account, and as you understand, this is the transfer that is happening on the Near blockchain. It's going to take just around a couple of seconds, and confirming the transfer. It gets me redirected to the Near wallet, proving the transfer. And now, once the transaction is sent, you can see that the transfer completed. And here is a little nice animation to this transfer. So now users are able to see what is happening there. And yeah, so that's it. It's just a nice little animations that I added that will make your experience using of the Rainbow Bridge a little bit slicker and simpler. As always, I am saying to everybody that please come to the Aurora forum, forum.aurora.dev. This is the governance forum for the Aurora project. You are able to add there your comments on different things, create your own proposals. This is the place where Aurora DAO is looking for the new proposals and discussing stuff. So in case you would like to, and like everyone is able to participate here independently, whether you're owning Aurora tokens or not, we're trying to read all of the comments and everything that is happening there. So invite you to share your ideas about how do you think Aurora should be developed and what initiatives should be launched. And last but not least, as always, we are growing pretty crazy, and we have quite a lot of different open positions right now. Here we have only the list of 12, but many of these positions have many of these tiles have multiple positions underneath them. So if we're talking, for example, the blockchain AVM engineer, then here is there are several open positions for the same job description. So if you think that you would be a good addition to our team, please apply. We would be happy to work with you in the future in case, obviously, you would be able to pass our rigorous interview process. Yes, and thanks for reminding. We wish all of our Vietnamese community and in general Southeast Asian community happy Lunar New Year. Yeah, there is a question about the Aurora fee logic, whether it is finished in the mainnet. I cannot say that everything is completely finished right now. Aurora Labs is subsidizing all of the transactions. We've got quite an impressive numbers of the transactions over the past month. But the transactions are remaining to be free right now, and it's still going to be that way for some period of time for the users that are normally using Aurora without any overusing of the RPC and well, just normal human usage. In case you are willing to create some kind of bot software that is sending lots of transactions into the Aurora network, I recommend you to launch your own RPC, and then you will be able to do it, because our RPC is right now tuned the way that it is going to ban you from the RPC, and so through Aurora Labs RPC you would not be able to submit your transactions. Though I do understand that there are lots of the sense in sending many transactions to Aurora network, because even if the transactions are not free, they cost a pretty low amount of money. And that's why we are also working on making sure that people who are willing to send many transactions, they would be able to do it through Aurora RPC, but at some price. I unfortunately didn't quite get the question about taxes. So maybe you can go to the support channel and then ask this. Yep, and it seems like we don't have any other questions. So wishing you, as always, a great end of the week and a nice weekend. And we will see each other in exactly 1 week from now on the next Aurora Alpha League session. Bye.